Hey class, welcome to week 2 of UNV 104. Hopefully it's Monday. Hopefully it's Monday morning, but if not, at least you're watching the video and hopefully replying to this video saying that you watched the video or asking questions, which does count as one post that doesn't have to be over 100 words. Please, 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 please pay close attention to your grade book over the next 2 to 3 days as I get your week 1 brainstorming worksheet graded. Many times students lose valuable points for being late. If I am letting you know that you need to fix something urgently or you don't have research articles, and you're required to respond in your private forum, or you submitted a blank worksheet. If you submitted a blank worksheet, it is late because um, placing anything in a Dropbox doesn't hold a due date. Many times in the past, not saying students are doing this in this class or will, but in the past, students have admitted that they will submit something else in that Dropbox just to hold the due date, so it doesn't get held. You have to submit everything correctly, and I will take off 10% off each day it's late. So if you submit an assignment on Sunday that's blank, and I posted something on Monday in your private forum, and you don't reply till Wednesday, it is 3 days late. Okay, so that's 10% off each day. Make sure you're watching the grade book also, because if, like I said, there's something wrong with your articles that's important to build upon for week 2, because week 2's worksheet due Sunday is relying on your 3 articles for week 1 worksheet. If there's an issue, we have to have a faster turnaround time. So in any ways, despite that, students should always be looking at feedback. When you submit an assignment on Sunday, you should be Monday looking around, seeing, Tuesday looking around, seeing, Wednesday all the way through, to just make sure. It takes a couple minutes to go in the evening or in the morning just to look, preferably in the evening time or at night, so that you can reply. Okay, so make sure you're paying close attention to that. Instructors have up to 7 days to grade, so hopefully you know by now, by watching this video, why isn't participation graded? Why isn't this graded? Why isn't that graded? We have up to 7 days, but for this class specifically, because of the time constraints on the worksheet for week 1, I put that in the front and grade it out as early as no later than Tuesday, so you have your information. So pay close attention to Monday, Tuesday in your grade book. This week there's another tutorial. As you see below this post, I've posted another tutorial on the worksheet that's called Reading Strategies and Annotated Reference List Assignment. Follow it to a T. Everyone did a pretty good job following last week's to a T as far as finding research articles in DQ1. I'm hoping for the same here, following it to a T. Hopefully, I haven't graded the week 1 brainstorming worksheets yet, so hopefully that was followed to a T when you saw those tutorials. Just real quick, in DQ2 this week, there is a video that will say the same thing, follow to a T, okay? Because it's going to show you how to complete DQ2. It teaches you about citations, how to cite. Citing is one of the most overhyped, overstressed, shouldn't be stressed about aspects of something that happens in essays and assignments. Citing is very, very easy, actually. There's a pattern to it, a simple pattern, not even just a pattern, but a very simple pattern. So watch my video in this week, week 2, DQ2. It'll teach you how to cite information to answer DQ2 correctly. Do not follow your classmates. So if you see your classmates posting a certain way, you might be posting incorrectly. Don't follow them. Don't put faith in that, because you don't know if they're getting point deductions. There's no such thing as a baseline. I grade based off of what's submitted to the requirements, not what's submitted compared to an overall average of what everyone's doing. Okay, so follow directions. Don't follow other people, other classmates, and how they answer. They might be answering it right, but make sure your answer follows what the videos and the examples are, because that's what you're going to be graded on. Okay, so this week now you're going to be breaking down last week's 3 articles that you found. If you haven't found 3 articles just yet, don't worry. Message me immediately. Hopefully it's Monday, and we'll try to get that assignment completed as soon as possible, because if you go to week 2 and you look at it and it says, it's going to say in the directions, refer to week 1 worksheet, you're going to be confused, lost, and even stressed. So, but it's not a world of a panic, because you're not that far behind. You're just 3 articles behind, and we can get you caught up. Okay. Hopefully you're not behind on that. So make sure you're also looking in the study material. There's stuff in there about citing and paraphrasing, how to use, citing sources, what deems as a credible internet research tool, and make sure that your articles are just coming from the GCU library, period. There's going to be no exceptions. All right, so if you have any questions, please reply to this video or message me in the private forum. Thanks.